Hey everyone, Psycho Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Blue Supersonic on mobile. So let's get started. Also, guys, just a quick note: this Sonic One app is now deleted from the App Store. So if you have it installed before it got removed, like me, then follow this tutorial for this to work. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna open up Sega. Also, since it was removed, I guess I now don't have the app free version for free, because for some reason now I have it. So don't mind if I have it. Also, I'm at a place, so I don't got any space to record this alone, and I like to talk. Anyways, first, what you're gonna do is go make sure you're at no save mode. If you do not go no save mode, this will not work. Then click Sonic or Sonic and Tails, but I would recommend just Sonic, and then click it. And when the Sega logo appears, click S, E, G, and A, and then put your thumbs down on the bottom corners of the game, and then hold them until you get to the screen. You should be right here. Now, what you're gonna do, guys, is that you're gonna go down to sound test and put in this code 199106223, and you should hear a ring charm if you did this right. I did it right, so I heard a ring charm. Then go Green Hill or whatever, then click go. Click the ring section where it says ring 0, and click on that. You should be on the pause screen. Just set your character's now a ring. Click continue. Now you should be as a ring. Click the plus button until you get this hitbox. You should have this hitbox. Click the jump button. Now put your character back here. Click the ring again. Now it'll be paused again, but this time you should be back as your normal character. Click continue. Now spin dash. And if you don't know how to spin dash, just do down and then jump. And then let go. And now stand still until the ring goes down all the way 0. The moment it hits 0, like, you gotta time this perfectly. You got to click the ring as soon as you hit 0. Otherwise, you'll turn back to your character. Also, I'll show you a different method way. But let's just focus on this one. Now you wait, and now you gotta time this perfectly if you want Blue Supersonic. And now you gotta time it perfectly. I didn't time it. I didn't time it perfectly, so I'm gonna have some. Now, your character should be looking different if you did it right. But if your character still doesn't, click the ring section again, and then continue. Then click now spin dash through it, and then speed run through a whole level. And then get to this spot. You gotta get all the way to the finish line. I done this before, so this works. Now you gotta time this perfectly. You gotta time this perfectly. As soon as you hit the middle, you have to go back into debug mode. Now at the beginning. That's why I'm doing this. I'll try this again with one more zone. Green Hill at 2, I'll try this in this zone, so I can show y'all what your character is supposed to look like. Now, go here again, do what I told y'all in the first method. Now, you should have supersonic. Do the same thing, wait, and then the moment the greens hit switch from 1 to 0, tap the green button. Otherwise this will not work and turn your character back into normal Sonic. Oh, sorry. Someone talking. I barely have any space to record this privately. Time. This. Now, I think I should. Nope. So you're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do this the same as the original. I'm not do this the original. And I died. Sorry guys, it's just I'm really trying to show y'all this. It's a really long tutorial, so I added chapters on this. I think there should, but I don't know. Oh my god. Again? You gotta be kidding me. How many times do I have to die just to get past that point? Yeah, I didn't make it, guys. Sorry. But I will show y'all what your character is supposed to look like.
It exploded. Sort of. It's exploded. We're not exploding. It's exploding.
So, your character is supposed to look something like this. Your character is supposed to be looking like this. Wait, that's Sonic 2. That's Sonic 1. It's on me now.
Watch out! Watch your toes. I'm gonna take that. Nobody can take
Just,
that.
this is what your character at least has to look like. Make sure it looks something like this. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.